Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Mercedes E220 CDI W211. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the front of the engine. It's located right there. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to turn the tensioner pulley to loosen the belt. This is the tensioner right there, and this is the bolt underneath that we need to turn in order to loosen the belt. To turn the tensioner, I'm going to use a socket size 17, which is 12 volt, and a long ratchet. I need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise, and it will loosen the belt, and then I can take it out from one of the pulleys. Here you can see how the belt is getting loose. Now we're going to take it out from one of the pulleys, and then we can return the ratchet and take it out, and then we can remove the belt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, I'll show you in the service manual the routing of the serpentine belt. This is how it goes around all the pulleys. Next, we're going to put on the serpentine belt. We're going to put it around all the pulleys except for one pulley at the top. We're going to put it at the last pulley when we get the ratchet and turn the tensioner anti-clockwise all the way. This way it will free the belt and we'll be able to put it around the last pulley. Now I'm going to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise all the way, and then I'm going to put it around the last pulley. And that's how you replace the serpentine belt. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.